Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today's recipe is South Indian Idiyappam. Take 1 cup of raw rice flour. We have to dry roast this for 5 to 10 minutes. Already we have a video on how to prepare rice flour at home. So if you want, you can check that out. I'll give the link in the description. Now take 1 cup of water. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Now bring this to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, transfer the flour into this and give a nice mix. Mix this well and immediately switch off the flame and transfer this into a plate. This has to be hot when you start kneading this. So when the heat is bearable, you start kneading the flour. Now add a teaspoon of oil and start kneading this. This won't take much time. You have to gather this and start kneading. This dough will already be very smooth, so don't need to knead so much. You can knead for some 2 or 3 minutes. This is smooth and perfect now. Now get ready with your chakli maker, that is murukku maker. Use small holes. Now take a handful of prepared dough. Now fill the dough into this, and this is ready to be pressed. I'm going to use an idli steamer. You can use any kind of steamer, so I'm using the idli plate. Grease the idli plate with some oil and start pressing this. And this is ready for steaming. This has to be steamed for around 10 minutes. This is after 10 minutes. This is perfectly cooked, perfectly ready, and it is soft too. You can have this with any kind of curries, and sodi will be a perfect combination. And if you want it to be sweet, you can add some sugar and coconut milk. That will be a perfect combination for this. Perfectly cooked soft idiyappam is ready. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.